friends, we are at Surat Thani railway station. You could see Surat Thani, Bangkok. This is the inside view of the platform at railway station. This is the ticket counter. This is the entrance from which I am passing by, and this is the information center. This is the train which is passing by. Thailand train, you could see, look-wise it is very much like Indian train. Name of the railway station, Surat Thani. There are some vendors on the platform. Here is the information center, and the train from platform is passing by. This is platform number 1, and at this Surat Thani railway station only 2 platforms I could see. So it's a small railway station, but this Surat Thani is, we could say, the entry point for Koh Samui and Phuket, and at Phuket Patong also, because the Patong and Phuket are considered separate cities. So Patong is more advanced and more lively place than Phuket. Okay, thank you for being with me at railway station Surat Thani.